Hey Macklemore, can we go thrift shopping?
What?
Hey Ninja Mafia, it's Chris from Ninja Lax. It is June 24th and it's time for another episode of Mesh Madness Monday. As always, I want to congratulate Dusty Honor and also Ryan Smith for being last week's winners. They won a piece of Ninja 6-shooter, each of them, and a sticker pack. And I just want to say congrats to them. So let's get into today's drawing. Today, for the 17th and 78th Ninja, it's hard to say, 17th and the 78th person to email Chris at ninjalax.com, you will win a brand new piece of Ninja Niju, which is our 20 millimeter mesh. Niju means 20 in Japanese. So Ninja Niju to the 17th and the 78th Ninja to email Chris at ninjalax. And as always, you'll win our sticker pack with our logo sticker and Mesh Labo. So remember the rules. Follow us on Instagram. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook. And please only email me once. And that's it. So email Chris at ninjalax. Follow the rules, which are like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, subscribe to us on YouTube, and be the 17th and 78th Ninjas to email Chris at ninjalax, and you'll be the winner. So I'm glad to be back. We were in Denver at the Denver Shootout and had a great time there. Met a ton of people, a lot of people using Ninja Mesh, and after that we traveled around Denver and just had a really good time. So we're back in the Mesh Lab. This weekend is PACLAX, or the Pacific Lacrosse Festival. Looking forward to being down there. Come by our booth if you're there, and let us know. Send me an email and let me know you're there, or just come by. We'll be in and out. We got a couple teams that are playing, so we'll be in and out of the booth, but there'll always be someone there to take care of you. So anyways, hopefully I'll see some of you guys this weekend, and be the 17th or the 78th Ninja to email Chris at ninjalax, and you'll be the winner of this week's Ninja Niju Mesh. All right, guys. Hey, I just want to say thanks one last time. Thanks. Really appreciate everything that you guys do, and I look forward to meeting you guys. So we'll talk to you later. Have a good one. Bye.
California.